Hello and welcome to your channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Steam region to Argentina. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. As you can see, I've got the Steam app open on my desktop. If you do prefer cheesy web-based version of Steam, that's absolutely fine as the steps are the same. So what you want to do first is make sure you're logged into your account, and what you want to do is come up to your profile up here in the top right hand corner, and click onto this to bring up a drop down menu and go to the account details. From here, what you want to do is make sure you're on a page that looks like this. If you're not, if you come to this menu on the left hand side, click onto account details, and that's going to take you to this page. And if you look in the top section where it says store and purchase history, you can see my current country set to United Kingdom. So what you want to do underneath is click onto update store country down here, and in order to do this, what you're going to need to do now is contact Steam support. So what you want to do is click the link here, and then you can go ahead and contact Steam support by clicking the box down here, and then you can go ahead and contact Steam support by clicking the box down here. Now what you want to do where it says please select country of residence, you want to change this to Argentina, and in the box below you just want to put the reason why you want to change your region, so you can use this as a template. Now you don't have to copy this word for word, but what I've done as an example is I put please can you help me change my region on my Steam account. I really appreciate it, thanks. One system should go ahead and click the send button to send that through, and that's going to be sent to the Steam support team. What you want to do now is keep an eye on the email that's linked to your Steam account, because what they're going to do is send you an email and help you to change your region. If you found this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.